Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look. Here coming 3. Look, 2. Look, 1. Bang! Welcome everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse, greatest show in the daggone multiverse. And we have a great show for you. Bang! Today. Oh, yeah, we have a great show for you today, brothers. Oh, guys. So let me just get real about what's happening around these parts. Here come the banksters. Oh, they're just coming out the woodwork. I have like almost 3 shows worth of bankster talk right now for you. Crypto and bankster talk. Here comes your money. Here comes your fucking money. Look, but for today, let's just stick with our normal stuff. Well, I mean, we are going to talk about some of the banks. Look. So the stories of today are Chainlink, Onboards, C.R.E.A.M Finance. Chainlink to the rescue. So we're going to read about that. Now let's get into some bankster business. A German bank is going to launch a crypto fund. Bah! I'm going to read about that. And, this is the mega. This is the big. The S&P DOW is going to launch a crypto index next year. Let me put it in a very simple way. Like the NASDAQ? Well, it's going to be one of those, except with crypto on it. Oh, yeah, and you should see how many coins they're going to list. All right, we're going to get to that. And then we'll do the shout-outs and daily summary. So let's proceed how we proceed with a bang. Yes. Oh, yeah, fuck sticks. Here it comes. And that's what's necessary, really. I mean, everyone's gobbling up these large caps, your Bitcoin and Ethereum. Well, yeah, but we need them to come get all the rest of this. All right, we'll get there when we get there. We'll talk about that when we get there. So look, let's see what we're doing around these parts. We got Bitcoin, $19,243. When I left yesterday, Bitcoin was exactly $19,200. So it's gone up exactly $43. Look, big gains. Look, let's see what our top 10 is. Let's see what the top 10. 1 second. All right, top 10 of the day. Usual suspects. Top 10, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Tether, Litecoin, Chainlink, Bitcoin Cash, Cardano, Polkadot, and Binance Coin. Let's see what the market moves of the day are. Look, single digits up to single digits down. Usual song. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. All right, VJ, look at you. 0.17. Let's go. Rock and roll, buddy. Single digits up, single digits down. Wow, literally single digits up to single digits down today. Single digits up, single digits down, 2. Single digits up, 2 single digits down. All right. Let's see who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, go get it because it is on sale. Let's see what we got. Bang! What happened here? All right. Top 10 losers of the day. Oh, they put a commercial in here. Top 10 losers: Decred, Kusama, Yearn Finance, Qtum, SushiSwap, Status, Uniswap, Hedera Hashgraph, and Polkadot. Let's see who made money today. Top 10 gainers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, top 10 gainers. Yeah, some all right gains. Compound, OMG Network, Waves, Theta, Ren, NEM, Zilliqa, VeChain, Monero, and Aave. Let's see what the total market cap is. Brothers and sisters. What are we working with here? All right. So total market cap is $574.0 billion. So $574 billion even. And when I left you yesterday, we were at $568 billion even. So we've gone up exactly $6 billion. Let's look at the 24-hour volume. All right. 143.9. So $143.9 billion is our 24-hour volume. When I left you yesterday, we were at 156.7 in 24-hour volume. So we've gone down. What is this? $13,000. Let's call it 13,000. Look, all right, let's keep it moving. All right, let's get to the stories. Bang! C.R.E.A.M Finance chooses Chainlink as its primary price oracle solution. So, yeah, I mean, geez, I read these every day. Actually, let me just get a sip. Then we'll just start. So you guys know how it works. Chainlink is an oracle, or they're one of their products is this oracle thing. It brings off-chain data onto your chain, into your distributed app or your smart contract. For real-time data feeds, price feeds usually, but they have I think they had another thing. But anyways, usually price feeds, and pretty much Chainlink owns the DeFi market. I'd say about 80-85% of the DeFi market uses Chainlink for their price feeds. So it's going very well. Like I've said before, I want to see them expand out to put other sorts of data on smart contracts and distributed apps. Weather data, traffic patterns, I don't know, whatever. Just all manners of data, right? I want to see them giving all manners of data. All right, sorry. All right, so here's another onboarding. Let's check it out. Chainlink and C.R.E.A.M Finance have been at the head of quite a few developments lately. Now with the latter announcing a new integration associated with its Oracle services, the two are bound to be in the headlines, even more so. According to the said announcement, C.R.E.A.M Finance has chosen Chainlink as its primary price Oracle solution. This is interesting since Chainlink already provides price data for several projects across DeFi, and it will now go ahead and provide price data to C.R.E.A.M on the Ethereum mainnet for the following markets: Link, Comp, I guess that's Yield, BUSD, USDC, USDT, Uni, and Aave. The oracles constitute an important part of the DeFi ecosystem, and Chainlink has been one of the leading ones. Oh yeah, I mean, all of them. It has been working with several DeFi projects and connecting them to off-chain and on-chain data sources. C.R.E.A.M Finance offers lending and exchange services at the moment, and this partnership would help it attract more users by focusing on its security features. The aforementioned announcement by C.R.E.A.M added, by leveraging Chainlink, C.R.E.A.M is able to take advantage of a decentralized network of independent, Sybil-resistant Oracle networks to obtain market prices for many leading cryptocurrencies. Each Chainlink Oracle node sources price data for multiple premium off-chain data aggregators, ensuring that the data source itself reflects a volume-adjusted average aggregated from across both CEXs and DEXs. So the individual nodes' responses will then be aggregated to formulate a weight-adjusted on-chain price. So basically what they're saying is, if you want to know the price of Bitcoin, Chainlink is going to get the price of Bitcoin from a bunch of exchanges, aggregate that price, and that's going to be the price discovery. That's going to be the price of the Bitcoin. Bang, 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 bang. So on-chain that C.R.E.A.M's smart contracts could refer to when making loans or receiving deposits. So Chainlink has been updating its Oracle network as it moves forward. Recently announced that it enabled 77 different smart contract use cases. With C.R.E.A.M sure that users will receive fair rewards by partnering with Chainlink, link hodlers will also be able to receive C.R.E.A.M by collaborating their tokens, collateralizing their tokens. Oh, so there you go, chain hodlers. Check that out. Or link hodlers, I guess they're called links. You'll be able to receive C.R.E.A.M by collateralizing the tokens. Look, all right, well, boom, there you go, another one, another Chainlink. Chainlink to the rescue. Chainlink to the rescue. My son, you've got a blockchain, no data on it, and it's such a pain. You're looking down and sad and just blue. Settle down, brother. Call Chainlink. They'll come to the rescue. They'll come to the rescue because it's Chainlink to the rescue. Ha ha ha. So look, Chainlink rescues another one. All right. I'm getting so used to these now. All right. Look, Zeus Capital. Bang. Enjoy. All right, let's move on. Zeus Capital. Oh, man, that's going to be, I'm going to remember that forever. All right, look. Private German bank to launch crypto fund for institutional investors. Bang. Here they come. Here come the banksters now. Here come the, you know how many banking stories I have right now? Oh, hey, I've got a ton of them right now. We're going to get to them all this week. Don't worry about it. We're going to get to them all. If I have to cram them in all on Saturday, I will. Yeah, banksters all around the world now. That's it. Once, these banksters have been, dabbling in, having their IT guys look into this crypto stuff and everything, but, not launching anything. Yeah, well, once the American OCC said, look, American banks, you can now custody this stuff and start doing stuff with it. Well, that unleashed a floodgate, right? The whole world. All their banksters. I have bankster stories. Hold on, let me even look. We're going to talk about some of them. Oh, America has one, a fund. 2 funds coming. Russia. Asia. Oh, yeah, there's more banks that we're going to talk about this week. Here they all come. And that professionalizes the space. That legitimizes the space. That institutions are not going to, first of all, institutions will be allowed to purchase these kind of funds and stuff because these are from regulated, entities. Like I've told you, even a hedge fund, if they wanted to, they couldn't buy, you're not allowed to go with your client's money to like BitMEX or BitTrex. Not allowed to do that. You get in fucking trouble. You get shut down. But they are absolutely, any licensed regulated bank in your country, well, they can play with all of that. All the products that the institutions provide them, they can play with. And so, because they're obviously regulated, licensed, all of it, insured and everything, custodied properly, all of it, right? And so, that's what's happening now. We are seeing a wave across the world of banksters unleashing different products, right? How often did we talk about banks around here before, right? In the past couple of years, fucking never, right? We were talking about Fidelity, but that's not really a bank. That's an asset manager, right? Never talked about banks per se, right? Except maybe that JP Morgan coin we talked about a couple times. Yeah, we're going to be talking about banks a lot around here right now. I'm going to keep you up to date on what the banksters are doing worldwide. This is a worldwide phenomenon. This is worldwide. Everyone wants to get their hands on the Bitcoin. Everyone wants to launch crazy-ass investment vehicles, knowing that they're going to soar. The investment, you launch a futures contract right now, bang, it'll fly. You launch options trading on Bitcoins, bang, that will be a successful platform. Everyone wants in now. Everyone wants in and everyone sees. And wait till the fucking shit that I'm about to read to you. I mean, this right here is awesome. The next story I'm about to read, that's Van Brienen level shit. What? So, and that's why I keep telling you guys, accumulate. You got to do it now, right? When Bitcoin keeps rising, it sucks the rest of the market up with it. So, whatever you got, your little alts, not alts, I don't call them alts. I'm an adult. I talk properly. Your small caps, you got to get that shit now. Bitcoin might turn your small cap into a large cap if it flies too fast, right? It's dragging everything up. And like I said, this is, and if you read all across the internet, everyone understands now. These are not weak hands. This is what I've been preaching on this channel from the very beginning. Guys, just wait till the institutions arrive. Guys, accumulate before the institutions get here. Guys, build your cryptocurrency warehouse big, strong, and with working product. Position yourself for what? when the institutions get here? Well, the institutions have begun to arrive. There it is. That's the truth. All that I've been telling you and preaching to you and telling you, just believe me, guys, believe me, trust me, it's going to happen. Well, it is now beginning to happen. Here's the evidence. This is it. Wait till the shit I'm about to read you after this story. This is it. This is the shit I've been yapping about for 3 years. Once that dude at the OCC said, look, American banks, you're free to play. That opened it all up for everybody. All right. Well, I mean, and other people were doing stuff already. It's not like just because of America. I mean, the Europeans were doing stuff. I mean, we read about European ETPs from last year, so it's not like no one was doing anything. But let's get real. Once America unleashed the banks here, everyone understood from that point on, like, well, there's no looking back now, you know. You better get in now. All right, so let's check it out. Private German bank to launch crypto fund for institutional investors. So, with more institutional investors flocking into the crypto space, a private German bank announced today that it would launch a cryptocurrency fund specifically for these investors in January 2021. So, for big money. This is for big money. According to a press release, the bank, Hauck and Aufhäuser, Innovative Capital GmbH, stated that the crypto fund named HAIC Digital Asset Fund would allow institutional clients, so this is for institutions, to invest in a few cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Stellar, XLM. HAIC Digital Asset Fund will adopt a passive investment strategy where the supported cryptocurrencies will be allocated based on specific criteria, including market capitalization. So they're not going to be trading in and out. It's going to be passive. They're going to buy it, hodl it, and that's that. Dr. Holger Sepp, a member of the bank of Hauck and Aufhäuser, said the initiative became necessary due to the increased institutional interest in recent times. Daggone right. All right. By increased institutional interest. They've been getting hounded. Every weekend at the country club, their buddies are like, look, man, you guys going to offer some crypto or what? I'm trying to get my fund into it, right? So with the launch of our first crypto fund, we have created an innovative investment vehicle that gives our customers inexpensive and secure access to the new crypto asset class, Sepp added. So the Frankfurt headquartered bank said it has partnered with Berlin-based digital asset custody firm Capilendo Custodian to provide safe and secure storage for clients. Custody. So Capilendo, which aims to bridge the gap between traditional and tokenized finance instruments, makes its custody services available for SMEs, small and medium-sized enterprises, asset managers, financial institutions, and wealth managers. So notably, HAIC Digital Asset Fund will only be made available through the bank and Capilendo channel with a minimum investment of 200,000 euros. But, so this is the big money. Yes. That's the minimum. No. I told you, guys, I'm telling you right now. I mean, I've said it already. Fucking few years from now, owning a Bitcoin is going to be a big fucking deal. Like, it's going to be, wow, you actually own one of those? No. Oh. Look at this. Look at the minimum investment, 200,000 euros. Now, that's straight big dog money. And he said that the guy, Sen, what was his name? Sen? What was this guy's name? Hold on. Sepp or something like this? Sepp. There he is, Sepp. Yeah, he said it because the big money's been asking for that. So that's the kind of level, that's what we need. And remember, institutional people, well, they don't come here they're not weak hands. They come here to buy and hodl. Meaning, as the price of things go up here, wait till I read the next story. This is going to be amazing. Prices aren't going to go back down like that. We're going to have blood red days, of course. Blood red days, maybe even blood red weeks. But the overall trend will be up. Higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs and higher lows. That's called a trending market. And so you just keep buying those daggone dips anytime you can you can do that. All right. More institutional players. That's the only way you win in this market now. Now that we're going up, it's not like last year. Last year, it was kind of like, everything was just consolidating, right? We were just going sideways the whole year. So it was like, all right, we went between, like, say for your V-chain, 0.003 and 0.007 all year long, right? It was just all year long. And so last year was a great year to accumulate because everything was just kind of ranging, right? What's known as price consolidation. The price consolidation is over now, and we are now trending. Higher highs, higher lows. Higher highs, higher lows. Higher highs, higher lows. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. You see? And that's just going to continue for years. For years. So you got to always buy those dips. Always be ready to buy these dips. Anytime there's a day, like have some money even ready, maybe even. So days when there's like 25, something goes down 25, 15% or something. You buy that. Because that's the retrace, and then it's going to fly past that. BTDI, brothers and sisters. BTDI. All right, so look. In recent times, institutional interests in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies has soared tremendously. Bitcoin is currently seen as a hedge against inflation, as the asset continues to rally while the value of more traditional assets keep plummeting. That's a bunch of bullshit. It's just speculative and it's making a lot of money, and so everyone's jumping in. This feat made the cryptocurrency earn the title digital gold, which it is. And the asset is tipped to outperform the popular yellow metal gold in the near future. All right, that's enough. Then I get into COVID talk and all sorts of nonsense. All right, but there it is. There it is. Another bankster, a bankster unleashing crypto, and this is for mega people, right? 200,000 is the minimum of euros. 200,000 euros is the minimum you're allowed to put into this thing. I mean, these guys. I mean, this is for the 1%. And, obviously Germany, it's the largest economy in Europe, right? They've got many wealthy folk over there. And now they're going to have access, regulated access, safe, secure, custodied, regulated place to buy their crypto now, right? Like I said, it's not that people and institutions don't want this stuff. It's that they have to buy it in regulated. I mean, I've said this a gazillion times here. They have to buy it from regulated places. If I'm a hedge fund, even if I wanted to just buy Bitcoin, I'm not allowed to just go to Binance and do that, right? Binance isn't regulated here properly. Well, I guess maybe Binance US, but I wouldn't do that. Like you don't go to some shithole like that, when you're a hedge fund or something like that. Like you're waiting for JP Morgan to offer, or like the Germans. Yeah, you're waiting for a German bank. If you're a German hedge fund guy, you're like, yeah, this is what I've been waiting for, right? With custody, with insurance, it's safe, right? My clients can't sue me for, lack of due diligence. Because due diligence. Anyway, man, we're not going to get into all that. Well, I will just get into it for a second. For instance, imagine I bought crypto, and I'm not custodying it myself. I left it on Binance, and then the Bitcoin. Say I bought Bitcoin, and then it got stolen. Yeah, well, fuck. My clients would sue me, and when they brought me to court, they'd be like, "Yeah, Your Honor, he bought all this shit and left it on an unregulated, uninsured, little shithole, little." Crazy little crypto thing, Your Honor. Yeah, you'd go to jail for that. Actually, I don't know about jail, but I know they'd get fined for sure. And you definitely have to pay back the money. Yeah, and you'd probably get your license taken from you. But I don't know about jail necessarily, but just they let these guys off a lot. But yeah, you get in trouble. And so whereas something like this, private German bank offering, well, I can put my client's money into this, and it's safe. So imagine Bitcoin goes to zero. Never going to happen, so don't even worry. That's not even a thought. That's just the most retarded thing I've ever told you. But let's just imagine. Let's just imagine. Well, even if it went to zero, well, your clients can't take you to court for that because I invested in what? A licensed, regulated German bank. You see what I'm saying? You're not, when in the investment world, you're not guaranteed to make money, but you are guaranteed that your money will be on licensed and regulated, insured platforms. All right? And so this is one of them. This is it. This is a licensed, regulated German platform, and these guys aren't even fucking around. They don't give a fuck about your little 50 grand. They don't give a fuck about your 100 grand. Peasant. Yeah. You got to have a cool 200,000 euros just to get their bronze account. Yeah, they got the bronze, silver, and gold account. We'll let you little miscreants in with 200 euros. And so, guys, I want you to be so happy. I want you to understand your crypto is going to rise, and your crypto is not going to fall anymore. I mean, on a day-to-day, yes, up and down. But what I mean, overall, the trend, right, is up, right? That's why you got to accumulate. Now, you get 26 paychecks a year, worker bee. Well, and Bitcoin keeps dragging everything up. So you've got to accumulate now. Position yourself. I mean, most of you who've been watching this channel, I mean, obviously you've got your portfolios. You're pretty much good. But I mean, just keep stacking. Because here we are. All this crap I've been telling you about institutions for these 3 years, it's finally beginning. Right? This is what I was talking about. This is exactly what I was talking about. And so, you're going to be rich. Okay? Just hold on tight. We might have a NoahFest 2021. NoahFest 2021, Shomari. I hope so. I surely hope so. I really do. Because especially, I hope so because of shit like this. Bang! Bang breeded! Cryptocurrency indexes are set to launch in 2021 by who? The S&P and the Dow Jones. Motherfucker. Look. What? Oh, yeah. What does it mean, Shomari? What does it mean? What it means, brother, is, have you heard of something called the NASDAQ? All right, and it's got all those tech stocks in it. Well, I don't know what these guys are going to call their crypto thing, but it's going to have, all the cryptos in it. Yeah, over 500. What? Yeah. Well, I'm about to read it to you right now. Over 500 cryptos. Shit. Yes, guys. This is the true. Now, this is the true. It's the shit like this that's really going to make you rich. Because like we've talked about here before, yeah, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're regulated here in America. Nothing else is. Not a fucking thing else is. And, well, these guys say they're launching an indice. I mean, the stuff still has to get regulated here. So I do want to get you to be realistic about that part. But they said they're going to put 500 cryptos on this thing. And, well, you know, it's so, a NASDAQ of crypto. Now, that's the S&P, you know, S&P 500. I'm sure you all know about the Dow Jones. I told you guys, that's what's going to go down. Countries around the world are just going to start, you know, how we have stock exchange. All right, you're going to have a digital asset exchange. Just same thing. You have a bond exchange. All right, you're going to have a digital asset exchange. And, well, America said, look, We're going to do that next year. And the beauty of this is, well, that's where your small caps are going to be. That's your V-Chain. That's your IOTAs. That's your Cardanos. That's your Chainlinks. That's your Band. That's your Trons. That's your, what else we got here? Singularity Nets. All of them. Just all that miscreant shit. IOSTs and all of it. All that miscreant shit. That's all going to be on there. That's all going to be on this thing. And well, so once they have the price indices, what does that mean? Well, that means when you fire up your little E-Trade account, guess what you're going to see? Hi, would you like to buy some V-Chain? Hi, would you like to buy some Singularity Net? Oh, yeah. Soccer mom and dad. Soccer mom and dad. They're going to come for that stuff. And I think next year is going to be a big year of, education for the consumer. What are cryptos? Well, forget the word crypto. What is just about distributed ledger technology? So about Bitcoin, what is it? What is that? And what is that? Oh, it's on a blockchain. Well, what a blockchain? Oh, a blockchain is blah, blah, blah. Oh, there's a whole bunch of companies offering services with blockchain. Well, what do they do? What are they? What are they partnered with? That's, just like how anyone does their investigation into, well, what's this stock doing? What's this company doing? What are their onboardings? Where are they expanding into? What regions of the world are they expanding into? Blah, 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 like shit like that. That's what people are going to start doing next year with crypto. But, yep, start investigating. I told you guys, when I first heard of crypto, when I first heard of Bitcoin, right, in 2011, yeah, it was just this wannabe money crap, right? Then 2014, I heard about blockchains, right? Because China was like, oh, blockchain. That was back in 2014. But I still was like, all right, well, whatever, And then it wasn't until 2017 that I realized, like, oh, there's a whole bunch of companies doing stuff with this blockchain thing. It's not just all, wannabe money stuff. There's actual companies like, providing services with AI and supply chains and authentication and all sorts of stuff, right? And I was like, oh, yeah, that's when I got in, right? I've told you guys the story before. And, well, that's what's going to happen now. The same thing. Right now, soccer mom and dad, they've heard of Bitcoin. If you go on CNBC, CNBC actually has a Bitcoin ticker on its channel now. That stays up there, right? So now it's just going to take time for people to realize, well, there's more to blockchain than Bitcoin. Or I'll put it this way. There's more to Bitcoin than wanting to be money, but there's a thing called blockchain behind it. And that thing called blockchain that Bitcoin created has spawned a whole industry. Right? And now people are going to start looking into that industry. Right? Oh, blockchain is a bigger thing than just want to be money? What? V-Chain, what does that do? What? It's run by the CTO of Louis Vuitton. What the fuck? You do know Sonny Lou used to be the CTO of Louis Vuitton. That's the CEO of V-Chain. Yeah, he was the CTO of Louis Vuitton. All right, he's a real player. When they look at things like Cardano and like, oh my gosh, it's run by a mathematician and a bunch of PhDs. Dagga. And it does what? What now? Right? When they look at things like IOTA, Internet of Things. Oh yeah, that's that new thing. I've heard about that. Internet of Things is coming. And they see that IOTA is being used in the mining industry in Europe. Well, it's about to be in Europe. And, they're being used for smart cities all across Europe. Well, 2 smart cities for now. And then they're expanding out to 5 more. So I guess it'll be 7 by the end of this year. And then obviously it'll just keep expanding, right? Barring some craziness with the tangle, right? Once the average soccer mom and dad start investigating blockchain and blockchain services providers, distributed ledger technology providers. If you watch my video, my very, very, very first video on this channel, I told you guys, you're not invested in some wannabe money. You're invested in distributed ledger technology services providers. That's what these are. Nothing more. Nothing more. This is not special. These are just tech companies. That's it. But they all use one thing called a blockchain, or in IOTA's case, a tangle. But it's all a blockchain, right? All of them. And they work. Some of them, a lot of them, and so once soccer mom and dad start, just like me, once I realized, like, oh my gosh, right, there's all these companies using this thing called a blockchain. Well, fuck, then I just started pouring money in. Holy fuck, I understand what's going to happen here now. Obviously, I'm a market killer. I'm not an idiot. I see what these guys are going to do. And that's the same that soccer mom and dad are going to do. Once they realize that it's not just little Johnny with the green hair and nose ring, buying fucking cocaine off the dark web, but actually distributed ledger technology services providers are providing services for industries, for governments, organizations around the world successfully, creating cost savings, efficiencies, data flows, all of it, fucking all of the stuff you give to corporations and government. They're providing all of the services, daggone. Well, it makes it real. It makes it a real fucking industry. And so, okay. And so that's that. And that's what I believe this is going to do. Obviously, the price feeds are going to go to your Charles Schwab account, your little Charles Schwab trading platform. I guarantee you, TD Ameritrade is going to have these data feeds, indices on their platforms. And that is going to be great to get these small caps being bought. Right now, all the institutional money, we talked about it before, it's all institutions are buying Bitcoins right now. Right? It's a Bitcoin frenzy right now. If you want to, I always tell you guys, well, I've told you since the beginning of this channel, just one day this place is going to be like the .com bubble. Look! Oh, yeah. You throw your money at anything, you're going to make money. Don't worry about it. And it's beginning now. Everyone's just gobbling up fucking Bitcoin. And I can guarantee you what's going down right now in some boardrooms. Look. Let's get some Bitcoin. What do you think will be the next big one? Ethereum. Bang! They're starting to suck in Ethereums as well. Right? Driving the prices up. And so this now, all right, I know I've been yapping a long time. But I want you to understand you're about to get rich. Fucksticks. This is the real deal. This is it. This is going to be the NASDAQ of crypto. Well, for America. And I'm sure Europe will come out with theirs. UK, all of them. Every country is going to have their crypto exchange, right? Here in America, the NASDAQ is for tech stocks, right? They say the tech-heavy NASDAQ. Well, this crypto thing will be the same. It'll be distributed ledger technology heavy assets, right? But they're digital assets, so they're different than stocks. But all right. So that was a lot of yap. All right. I want you to be so happy, guys. I want you to understand you're going to fucking be loaded. You're going to be fucking rich. And this is what we need is soccer mom and dad to be able to buy our small caps. All the Bitcoin, it's beautiful. Bitcoin sucking everything up with it. Sucking, moving the price up. Yeah, that's fine and dandy. I want to hear organizations buying directly, and soccer mom and dad buying directly my Singularity Nets, buying directly my Cardanos, buying directly my V chains. Do you get it? And that's what this is going to allow them to do. Oh, yeah. That's why you're going to be fucking rich, fuckstick. Look! You're going to be fucking mega. Mega. I mean, I just want you all to remember. In fact, Google it. Google.com bubble. Okay? And I want you to study what happened there. That's what's about to happen here. .com bubble lasted from 1992 till Q4 1999. Pretty much a good 8-year run. Holy fucking, it was a frenzy. It was a frenzy. We were at war, so I want you to remember this. I want you to remember the times that this was, okay? Remember this. We were at war with Iraq. Okay, at the time. Remember, we invaded Iraq in 1991. All right? Wait, was it 91? Oh, yeah, Daddy Bush did, but then Clinton came. So once Clinton came, we were in the middle of a war. Every day on the news, it was war, 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 war. Yeah, and then all of a sudden, the tech bubble started. Weren't talking so much about the war. Yeah, weren't talking so much about the war anymore, were we? Right? I remember when I was a kid, in 1990, when we first invaded Iraq, that'd be the first story. Today, this many soldiers killed, Today, we're outside of Baghdad. We're this far away, blah, 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 right? They'd give you the updates. Yeah, then the tech bubble started. .com bubble started. What would be the first story of the day? Microsoft up another. Bang, 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 bang. Like that. All right? All right, hold on. Some fuckers at my door. 1 second. Sons of bitches. But, all right. So, all right, it's probably good that guy came, so it'll stop me from just yapping at you, and let's just read it. Let's get to the story. So, all right, so let's do this. Bang! So look. S&P Dow Jones Indices has made it what? Bang! It is official. America. America took so long to do anything. But all of a sudden, just in this last couple quarters here, just bang, 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 right? All these legislations coming through Congress, OCC just opening up the markets with the banksters. S&P, watch this. This is crazy. This is beautiful. This is beyond my wildest dreams. I didn't think this could happen. I thought this would be I knew this would happen one day, but I thought this would be like way later, like way later kind of thing. All right, let me get a sip. So, the S&P Dow Jones Indices has made it official. They will launch cryptocurrency indexes in 2021. But next year. So I'd like to know which quarter, Q1 or Q4. That'd be interesting to know. Look, I'll take it. I'm not complaining. I'll take it. Don't mind me. Just go do what you're doing. All right, becoming the latest major finance company to make its inception into the digital asset industry. More than 550 of the top traded coins to be included in the indexes. Bang! Oh my gosh, 550. Well, more than. I'm not really sure there's 550 coins out here that are even making money, but look, they said they're going to dish them out. So, as Reuters reported initially on December 3rd, 2020, such indexes will measure the performance of over 550 top traded crypto by market cap, including Bitcoin, and they will use data from the New York-based company Luca. So all price discovery will come from this company called Luca. Never heard of them. According to the statement issued by both companies, S&P's clients could create customized indexes. So when you have, your E-Trade account or your Charles Schwab account, well, they're getting their prices from the S&P, right? And it's up to your trading platform what you're allowed to trade, right? So, for instance, I'm a Forex trader. You guys know that. And on my Forex account, I'm actually allowed to trade gold and silver and the Dow Jones and a couple other things, it's not even Forex, because it's customized, right? For each company, they customize what they give their customers to trade. So my first account, FXCM, I could never trade the Turkish lira. Yeah, on this account, I could trade that, right? My first account, I couldn't trade the Mexican peso. I can on this one. It's up to your account owner. You're the owner of the account, but provider. It's up to your account provider to tell you, to offer you all right, here's a perfect example for you crypto folk. It's like Coinbase and Binance. Well, Binance International, right? Coinbase, the regular one, the one we have here in America, what do they have? Only like 20 25, maybe 30 cryptos you can buy. Yeah, whereas on Binance International, the major one, the main one, you can buy hundreds of different cryptos. And that's because they choose those. That's the index that they choose to make. And so that's what this is going to be. So among other benchmarking tools on cryptocurrencies. All right. So Peter Rothman, global head of innovation and strategy at S&P Dow Jones Indices, told Reuters, with digital assets such as cryptocurrencies becoming a rapidly emerging asset class. See, it is an asset. It's an asset class now. The time is right for independent, reliable, and user-friendly benchmarks. Both parties also mentioned in the joint statement that they expect cryptocurrencies to achieve the status of mainstream investments. It's going to be normal. It's going to be fucking normal. Once soccer mom and dad get VeChain out, all that on their E-Trade accounts, their Charles Schwab accounts, you guys in Europe, whatever things you guys use over there at home, right? Your home trading stuff. Yeah. Well, I mean, I guess this is American, so let's just stick with the American stuff. I guess I got a little too eager right there. All right, let's just stick with America. But here in America, it's standard, right? And so once soccer mom and dad see this on their, like I said, they're going to look at Bitcoin and all that, but then they're going to discover all the rest, right? That's how it was for me. It was a discovery. Like, oh my gosh, there's all this other stuff. Oh, distributed ledger is a whole thing? Oh, right? It'll happen the same way. And at these low prices, soccer mom and dad are going to be in on it. You know, when soccer dad looks at VeChain last year was at 0.003. Now it's at 0.17. Well, there's still a lot of room for growth. With all those onboardings, a lot of room for growth. You know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah. So, hold on. Let me get a sip. Large financial institutions have been flirting with the cryptosphere. Such as JP Morgan, who's been showing a surprising turnaround from their views toward Bitcoin, shifting to a bullish view in the medium and long term. Daggone right. Also, payment processing giant PayPal has been taking significant steps to adopt cryptocurrencies within their portfolio. Oh, speaking of PayPal, did you hear about, hold on, are they going to say it here? Oh, they're not going to say it. Look, did you hear that PayPal says, this is what they're saying. I mean, these are internal numbers, so take them with a grain of salt. But PayPal is saying that 17% of their clients have started buying Bitcoin. Or I guess have bought Bitcoin. You don't start, you either buy it or you don't. So that's what they're saying. I'm not sure if I believe those numbers personally, but I don't know. Maybe it is. Yeah. Adopt cryptocurrencies within their portfolio. As they announced on October 21st, 2020, the official support of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Bye! So, during an earnings call held on November 2nd, 2020, PayPal CEO Dan Schulman revealed plans such as increased crypto asset purchasing limits. Yeah. Which sort of makes me think maybe he is telling the truth, because it seems like, you know, they kind of kept it small, how much people get by, but I guess they're getting complaints like, hey man, I want to buy more. So PayPal is going to increase the purchasing limits for people, right? Obviously you have demand. Obviously your customers are saying, hey, what's up, dog? Can I get some Bitcoin here? Or do I got to go somewhere else? Do I have to use some other service? Look, bang! Another big bank shifting to a bullish view on Bitcoin is Deutsche Bank. Look at these. The Germans, which argued that more investors are starting to see it emerge as a credible asset into investing. Bang! 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 You know what I'm saying? It's credible. It's credible. It is real. That's what we need soccer mom and dad to come in here and see. This shit's real. This ain't just some fucking nerds with nose rings and crazy thoughts of libertarian, peer-to-peer dystopian, saving the unbanked shit. This is real. This is real. IOTA is going to be in your cities. Internet of Things. You're going to look at your food and you're going to scan it and you're going to see what the fuck, where it came from. B-Chain. Oh, don't let me get started on Sophia. Oh, yeah. And Dr. Ben Gortzel. You all know about them. You all know about those two miscreants. Look! Yeah, your AI is going to be all over the place. This is real. This is the future. And it's happening now. And once soccer mom and dad see that, yes, the reality of the situation, yes, there's going to be inflows to this space like a motherfucker. Oh, yeah. Like a motherfucker? Yes. Like a motherfucker. Yes, indeed, brother. Yes, indeed, brothers and sisters. Shit. Oh, man. I'm so happy. I just want to yap to you for a whole hour here, but let's just go because I'll just keep going. I'll keep telling you how good this is. I won't stop. So let's go, guys. Because I could go for so much more. So, look, Deutsche Bank says more investors are starting to see it emerge as a bang, credible asset. Of course it is. These are just tech companies. That's all they are. Yeah, you talk about your stable coins and your wannabe money crap, whatever. But the rest of these, the distributed ledger technology, bro, they're just tech companies. That's it. And they are viable. They are credible to invest in. Look, where gold is used to dollar. All right, fucking. Why do these fucking crypto nerds are so obsessed with gold and so obsessed with the American dollar? Fucking losers. Look. Here it comes next year. Next year. Oh, yeah. And I guarantee you, the Germans, they're not going to be far behind. I expect to see exchange after exchange after exchange start popping up all around the world. A South Korean crypto exchange. Bang! Japanese crypto exchange. Bang! Brazilian crypto exchange. Bang! South African crypto exchange. Bang! Let's see if the Chinese give it to us. And if they do, that won't be bang. That will be Van Breeden. Yes, China. Let's go, Xi. Yes, brother. Let's go. And so, look, fucksticks. Accumulate, and get ready. Next year, your shit's going to fucking fly. Oh, yeah. These motherfuckers said they're putting 550, what? Of the top. Wow. A lot of that's a bunch of garbage. But a lot of it is, but what you own is going to be in there too. Oh, yeah. 550. Right? I'm sure you own, most of you seem to own, shit within usually like the top 50. Right? Once we get past the 50 mark. Yeah, right? Now, well, they're going to offer 550. 550. Digibyte, Ren, SushiSwap, Ox, OKB, Qtum, HUSD, Icon, all of them. Paxos, Header, Cashgraph. Here it comes. And Soccer Mom and Dad are going to see all that. They're going to come and they're going to get a little taste. And like I said, yeah, while the Americans are doing this, what, you think other countries are not going to do it? Oh, fuck no, they don't want to be left behind. They're going to flip in. We're going to get proper indexes from proper companies like S&P DOW all around the world. Flipping Israel crypto exchange. Bang! Russian. Well, I don't know about Russia. They're fucking around over there. UK. Oh, I guarantee you the British. Don't sleep on those motherfuckers ever. They might be a little island, but there's a lot of money in there. They've been robbing and pillaging the world for a long, long time. Many hundreds of years. And believe me, bang! They're not going to let this crypto space leave them behind. And so, all right, guys, I know. I can go on forever, so let's just stop me. And so you get it. You understand. All right, let's move on. Because I'll just keep fucking telling you. You're going to fucking be rich. Especially, just one last. I promise. You know, what is so beautiful is these are your small caps. Soccer mom and dad. Firing up the E-Trade. I want you to sit down and envision this. Soccer dad gets home, takes off his suit jacket, puts it on the back of the table, loosens the tie a little bit, kisses little Susie and little Billy. Hey guys, good day at school? All right, well, let daddy do some work here. And then he gets on his little laptop. Oh, yeah. And then he fires up his E-Trade account. Oh, yeah. And then all of a sudden he just sees, crypto. What is that? I want to learn about it. I want to see it. Bitcoin, what's the rest? Oh, yeah. And then the journey begins. Brothers and sisters. And that fuckstick ain't coming back. Fuck no, he ain't coming back. He's going to learn. He's going to see. Distributed ledger technology. Oh. Blockchain. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, guys. All right. So, come on. Bang! I had to bang out of there before I keep talking to you like that. I'll sit here for a fucking hour. All right, guys. So you get it. All right, let's move on. Let's move on. Because holy shit. I swear, I'll sit here for fucking 5 hours. Oh my gosh. I cannot emphasize enough how mega that is. I guess you understand. You're not an idiot. You get it, right? A NASDAQ of crypto. Regulated, custodied, insured NASDAQ of crypto. All right, enough. Fuck. All right. Bam. Hook. Love everybody. See you, brother. Bye. What's he talking about? CB News. What video? CB News. Polkadot launches DeFi alliance with Chainlink. And we'll let 1,000 nodes bloom. Really? Looks like we're talking about that one tomorrow. Thank you for tomorrow. That's probably going to lead tomorrow's show. Thank you for that, video. Bye. So. That's probably going to be tomorrow's lead story then. Chainlink to the rescue. It's Chainlink to the rescue. Look, Crypto Carlito. Haven't seen you for a while, brother. You come on and off. Like but see, brother. Bye. Edward Dick on the Dicko family. Yeah. Family cryptos together stays together. Look. America. Bye. Edward. Look. Love Edward. What we got here? J. Christian Fire. California firefighters and U.S. Army veteran. Nice. Some strong work. Put in some strong work. Well, look, brother. Invest wisely in this crypto because look. Next year we got. Look. You won't have to be fighting those fires much longer. Unless you like that kind of thing. It must be kind of fun. Well, exciting. Dangerous. I like danger. I'm a fan of danger. But look. Firefighter. Thank you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Yes. I like danger. It's probably why I got into trading and everything. Oh, yeah, I could lose my money? Fuck yeah, I'm going to trade it. The danger of it. Look, sweetie. Sweetie, stallion. Yes. Love you, sweetie. See you, sweetie. Bye. What is she saying? Where have I heard that before? Oh, Tyler Winklevoss said Bitcoin equals Noah's Ark. Daggone right, Noah Fest. Oh, guys. Where is her thing here? Noah Fest, sweetie. Daggone right, sweetie. Look. Man, if we can really get on this trajectory really nice. We are ramping up and it's right at the end of the year here. If Q1 and Q2, I'd like to see, I wish they would tell us. I wish they had told us. When was this S&P Dow Jones? When is it going to be? When? Q1 or Q4? Because if it's Q1, well, we're probably going to have a Noah Fest 2021. You know what I mean? If it's Q3, I mean, don't worry, we're still going to be making lots of money when it happens. But I mean, just Q1 would be better, right? So we'll see. All right, sweetie. Bye. Yes, Noah's Ark. Look. CB News. What, medium? Private Germany bank. Hawk and Aufhauser is launching a cryptocurrency fund. That's what I just read about. Bye. Exactly. And it ain't no fun for... This ain't no worker bee fund. Yes. This is a big money fund. Yes. This is the kind of fund that, tin pot dictators and cartel members invest in. And just regular rich people. Yes. Right? I got it right. Minimum. What was it? The minimum was 200,000 euros. Look. Big money, big talk. Good stuff. Sloppy. Love you, Sloppy. See you, Sloppy. Hold down the Toronto. Hold down the North. Look. Let me see brother. Bye. All right, here we go. Look, Sunny B, Spy Lady, Lovely Lady, See You Lady. Bye. Yeah, drop her. Son of a bitch. Bye. Bye. Oh, look at this motherfucker. Look. Van Brienen. Bang. Of course, tonight's a Van Brienen night. You got S&P 500. It's all about Van Brienen tonight. Look. Van Brienen. Olé. Michelle. My son. My only son. My precious boy. This is Michelle's mom. Michelle, your friends are worried about you. Your wife, she has not seen you in 6 months, Michelle. Michelle, you are the stars in my eyes. You are the light in my heart. And Michelle, my son, I love you so much because you are the fruit of my womb. Look. Fruit of the womb. Michelle, I worry for you so much. You stay downstairs all the day, Michelle, on that damn computer, clicking and clicking the buttons, clicking and clicking everything, Michelle. Michelle, I worry for you so much. You know your mama only loves you and wants only the best for her only son. Michelle, I only have one question. That's the usual one, brothers and sisters. You know the one. Michelle, what are you doing downstairs? Look. That's what she always wonders. She doesn't understand. For 3 years. Yeah, Michelle's been down there for 3 years. On that damn computer, and she wants to know why. Well, let me get a sip. I'll tell you why. Well, Michelle will tell you. First of all, he says, look, woman. Mama, leave me, woman. You know nothing of these things. Mama, look. Mama. Whoops. Mama, look. Chainlink has come to the rescue once again, Mama. They are going to provide data feeds and whatnot for C.R.E.A.M Finance, Mama. Look. And Mama, the Germans. This German bank is offering a crypto fund, Mama. The crypto fund. For big money, Mama. Look. And then finally, Mama, look. The Americans. Ha ha. The Americans are coming. Yes. When you hear those words, the Americans are coming. You jump for joy. Daggone right, like World War II. When you hear the Americans are coming, daggone. Hell yeah. And look. America to the rescue once again, fuck sticks. Look. Mama, look. The American S&P DOW is to launch a crypto index in 2021, woman. The V-Chain, bang. The IOTA, Bang! The Cardano. Bang! Look, the Singularity Net, mama. Look, bang! The Stellar. Bang! Even the daggone Ripple, mama. Even Ripple lovers. Mama, look! They're going to offer all of it to the Americans. Those greedy Americans, mama. Look. So, mama, you ask me, what am I doing downstairs? Mama, I love you so much. And that's why I am downstairs for 3 long years. Positioning myself in the market, mama. Building a cryptocurrency warehouse big. Bang! Building a cryptocurrency warehouse strong, mama. Bang! And I am filling it, mama. Your son is a good boy, mama. Your son loves his mama. And mama, I am filling us a basket. Mama, I am building us an ark of cryptocurrency, mama. I am going to buy you a house and a dog. Mama. Look. But for now, mama, leave me, woman. Bang. Let me get back to work. Bang. Van Breeden. Bang. Van Breeden. Bang. Oh, yeah. That's what he's doing. That's what he's been up to for 3 fucking years. Watching this channel, just building that fucking arc big. Bang! Building that warehouse strong. Bang! And filling it with revenue. Generating. You can have a fancy website and you have a coin all you want, but if you ain't generating revenue, look. Well, that's not going to work. Van Breeden's been filling it with revenue generating product because he loves his mama. She's an old woman now. He wants to buy her a new house in the country. Yes, and a dog to keep her company. Yes, and big fields, and so she can walk in the fields with her bare feet and look at smell the roses and the flowers. Yes, like that. That's how it's gonna go down, brothers and sisters. Look, Van Breeden, bye. And I hope you guys are all thinking about your parents too. I know Van Breeden is. Mama could do with a new house. Look. All right, let's move on. Deep Entertainment. Soul Brother. Look. Led by the She Brother. Bang. And what? Look, Crystal. Oh, a new person. Crystal Kiwi. V-Chain. Yes. V-Chain indeed, brother. V-Chain at $1, brother. Look. Gonna get yourself rich. All right, what we got here? Crypto Kiwi. Great dad, son, friend, and human being. Continuous aspirations. V-Chain, and V-Chain. Look, that's all you need, brother. Love with the Sea, well, enough of it. Bang! Look, you get yourself a million V-Chain and just sit on that. Ah, well, there you go. You're going to be a millionaire, buddy. Look, it's not rocket science. Just Delavina. Love with the Sea, brother. Bang! Andrew Pacheta. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang! Yes. Look. That's the most of them. Bam. Oh, we already did that. Oh, we did that story yesterday. All right, so let's move on. Bye. And then let's get back to the Death Star. Bye. Welcome back, everybody. Look. So, welcome back. And we had a great show for you today. Fuck, that S&P shit. All right, let's just do this in order. And don't worry, I'm not going to yap too much. I could yap to you for fucking 5 hours about that one. All right, let's just do this in order and get you back to your wives and lives. Look, Chainlink, Onboards Cream Finance. So you know how Chainlink be, you know how Chainlink do, you know how Chainlink get down. You know how they be. They're about that life, about that off-chain, on-chain, off-chain, You know how Chainlink be. How do they be, Shomari? Well, they be like this. Chainlink to the rescue. That's how they be. Chainlink to the rescue. Look, boy. You got a blockchain? Shit. It ain't got no data and it's such a pain. You got a smart contract, but it looks dumb. Some people thinking that you're just a bum. Now you're looking sad and you're looking blue. Settle down, brother. Call Chainlink. They'll come to the rescue. Chainlink to the rescue. Look, another rescue mission, another rescue op. Bang. That's how Chainlink be. That's how they do. That's how they get down. Rescuing. So this time they're rescuing Cream. That's what we should do. That's how we should call it. Rescue missions, right? So this is Operation Cream Finance Rescue Mission. So they're rescuing Cream. They're going to give them some data feeds. Just the usual stuff. For some cryptos and whatnot. So, great. Bang! Zeus Capital. Zeus Capital. Would you like a data feed? Losers. All right. If you're new here, Zeus Capital, they're trying to short Chainlink. Yeesh. Wrong move. The exact wrong move. All right, anyways. And then, secondly, German bank to launch crypto fund. So, and their crypto fund's no joke. You got to have 200,000 euros just to get up in that bitch. Yeah, that's for the exclusive people. That's for big time money. Yeah, and if you're offering a service like that, what does that tell you? Yeah, well, that tells you smart money and big money, they're getting it. If I can offer a product like that, yeah, well, you're getting it. And I'd even put it another way. I told you, let me tell you something. I mean, I've told you this. I've said it before. I think Bitcoin, we're going to have a two-tiered system here. Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe Litecoin is going to be part of it, are going to be shit that rich people own. Like only. Like I said, in a couple of years, owning a Bitcoin is going to be, like owning a Berkshire Hathaway stock. Like wow, you own Berkshire Hathaway? You know what I mean? Owning a Microsoft stock, an Uber stock, or Facebook stock, anyone does that. Any fucking losers do that. Yeah, own a Berkshire Hathaway stock? Yeah, that's a big deal. And that's how Bitcoin's going to be, I think. And you could see that they're tailoring it. A lot of these things that we're reading, I mean, we have read a few things here that are tailored toward the retail investor, but most of it is all institutional, isn't it? Because they can afford it. Right? Retail investors now, they're priced out. They're priced out. If you're watching me, you're probably priced out. Let's get real. Right? You're not even considering buying Bitcoin anymore. And so this is going to be a rich man's game. Bitcoin's going to be a rich man's asset. And, when you're charging people 200 euros minimum, well, you obviously know there's players out there like that. You know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean? If you're desperate for, we want customers. All right, you're going to you're going to let anyone join. Yeah, you're like, yeah, fuck you, miscreants. Unless you have 200,000 euros, don't even come fucking talk to me. That shows you the power. And so that's what I want you to be happy about. That shows you the desire by these high net worth individuals and institutions to get into this space, where I can charge you a minimum like that. Hey, you want in or not? Fuck off. All right, fuck off then. Right? Like, I don't even need anything like 180 grand. You're a miscreant. Get out of here. You know what I mean? So these people aren't stupid. Remember, these people hang out at the country clubs together. They eat at the fancy restaurants together. They talk to each other, right? And it's a small group. The reason they're called the 1%, these rich people, the 1%, is because there's only 1% of them. And so they all congregate in the same places. It's like, I don't know, like I told you guys, like my degree, my bachelor degree is in management in the not-for-profit sector. And so in every city, there's always some restaurant or bar where not-for-profit people hang out together. Always. And same with any other industry. In every city, there's a place where all the lawyers hang out. In a city, and eat dinner and stuff like that and talk. There's always a place where the cops hang out. The cops will eat at this restaurant, at that restaurant. Right? Like each industry in every city always has sort of a food place where they meet. Right? Why am I bringing that up? And so, why did I bring that up? Oh, okay. And so, banksters are the same thing. So, if you're a Wall Street guy, well, there's special restaurants where everyone hangs out. right? This steakhouse and this place, and you go to this country club and you're a member of that country club. So you actually meet, right? These people meet each other. And so, you know, if I'm a bankster, say me, Shomari, I've got Shomari Bank, and my buddies at the country club want crypto. Well, they're telling me, well, Shomari, man, why don't you offer crypto services? I'd be willing to put in blah, blah, blah million. I'd be willing to put in blah, blah, blah. Please, I mean, in other words, if you own a bank, or not own a bank, but run a bank, you know, when you're not offering services, people look like you're an asshole. Look, man, we want to get in before the Japanese, man. Why are you being an asshole? Like, fucking give us the crypto, right? Because it's regulated, it's licensed, it's, you know what I mean? That's the shit they're hearing at the country club, at the restaurants, at the dinner party. Their wife, you know, if you're a bankster, your wife is going out with her little friends, and she's hearing shit like, oh my gosh, Susie says that her husband says you're not allowing crypto, and everyone's angry at you. You know what I mean? Like, that's the kind of, it's a small group. It's only 1%, literally. And so, but, you know, now they're getting into it. Now this crypto stuff has trickled up. You know, here in America, we have a thing called trickle-down economics. Well, what we have is called trickle-up knowledge, where the poor person, the regular worker bee, they knew about this crypto first, and now the knowledge is trickling up to the money. So now the money is getting in, now they're pouring in. And like I told you, that's market positioning. We, the regular guys, have the asset first this time. That's what makes this special. They're not IPOing it to us. We are reverse IPOing it to them. And so this is the best news. Well, one of the best pieces of news I've ever read you. And so S&P Dow Jones to launch a crypto index in 2021. Like I said, I'd like to know, is that Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4? Which quarter are you going to launch it in? But the fact that they're coming is just great news. And it's great news. And I promise this will be the last thing I say. I know I can go on forever. This is great news because of your small caps. Yeah, your V chains are going to be on this. Your IOTAs are going to be on this. Your Stellars, your Cardanos, your Singularity Nets. You know, your IOSTs, your all of it. Fuck, even some PundiX and Pivx or some shit like that even probably be on this motherfucker. So, and that'll allow soccer mom and dad to dip their toes in, begin to learn about this space. And like I told you, all right, this is the very last thing. Like I told you, before, I only knew about Bitcoin and blockchain. Once I learned about, oh, there's a lot of companies using this thing called a blockchain. Oh, actually providing services and cost savings to industry. Well, yeah, then I jumped in, right? And that's how soccer mom and dad are going to be. That's what you can expect. So I expect you, as my subscriber, to accumulate. I never tell people what to buy. I don't tell people what to buy. But I do tell you, you better fill that cryptocurrency warehouse big. Bang! You better fill that cryptocurrency warehouse strong. Bang! And I don't tell you what to buy, what coin. But let me just tell you this, fuckstick. That motherfucker coin better be attached to a blockchain that is generating fucking revenue. Cash. Skrilla. Dollars. Bread. Dough. Oh, yeah. And if it is, if your portfolio is filled with stuff like that are actually making money now, well, when this S&P Dow thing launches, you're going to be rich. Than you already are. Or just probably rich. You're probably a broke motherfucker now. Just kidding. I don't know. But look, you're going to get rich. All right, so let's stop. Let's end the show because I'll just keep. I can't emphasize enough how amazing the S&P thing is, Dow Jones thing. It's going to be a NASDAQ of crypto. A NASDAQ of fucking crypto. Soccer mom and dad are going to fire up their Charles Schwab accounts. Boom. They're going to fire up their little E-Trade accounts. Boom. And what are they going to be greeted with? Bitcoin and crypto. Oh, yeah. All right, so enough before I think of something else to say. So look, let's chill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives before I fucking hold you hostage a little more. Look, subscribe below, press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do this show. Bye. Greatest show on earth. Bye. Greatest show. The multiverse. Fuck stick. Look. My name's Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Bye. Love talking crypto. Bye. It's a favorite time of my day. So I want to thank you for having me, a motherfucking foul-mouthed motherfucker like me, in your home. Look. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for another fun fact crypto-filled day of cryptoness. So look, until then, daggone it. Here comes the S&P. Fuck sticks. Look, until then, subscribe here. Press that bell. You don't want to miss any of this, especially now with the banksters coming. You definitely don't want to be missing any of the goods around these parts. So look, subscribe here. Press that bell. Bye. So you don't miss the goods. Watch that video there. Greatest of the multiverse. Bye. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke. I love you guys. Most importantly, though, thankfully for you fucksticks, I'm always on duty. Bye! Here. Accumulate. Over and out.